3, 2, 1, go!
Hello everyone, welcome to our hot-selling floor patterns cases.
This is a good question. Here is a collection of floor tiles patterns we designed for our customers. Of course, classic color combinations are the most popular, such as black with a red border, gray paired with a yellow border, black with a blue border, black and gray alternation. Next, let me show you our successful installation cases of floor tiles for our customers.
Nice.
Thanks a lot for Kiki's introductions. If you have any questions about the floor patterns, please feel free to contact us. For solutions, find the video.